Hey everyone, welcome back to How to MECM, and in today's video we are gonna talk a bit about the company portal for Windows. And yeah, so yes, of course, you know that Intune can do all that silent stuff like configuration policies, check the compliance stuff, deploy updates and all those stuff. And then why should you guys use the company portal at all? Because when you go, for example, to a Windows machine and you probably don't have the company portal installed. So this is, for me, and I think for most of the IT admins, this is very important, very helpful app. It's Intune based, so you should just deploy, because it will give you the opportunity to deploy apps as available, so the user can just go to the company portal, open the company portal, see the list of the apps that are available for them, then they can install it without admin permissions and all those stuff. Also, they can see the compliance policies, if the device is compliant, and if not, why it's not compliant. Also updates, you can see all this stuff. So first of all, let's just go to the Intune and see how can we deploy the company. It's very easy, but how can we deploy the company portal to a Windows machine? So here we go, this is Intune. We go to apps and we go to Windows. I already have it here, but I will create a new app just to show you how it works. So we just click here to create a new app, Microsoft Store app, new, select, and here you're gonna search for company portal. The only thing I have to do is click and select. Yes, this is the information you need. It will install the company portal to the system. Here you can select the category. I will add this. I don't need this because I will install it as required. So here you can add some steps. This is the important part. Normally, when I deploy apps for users, I make them available for enrolled device. But in this case, I will make it required. So I will just do this, add to all devices, and then we'll deploy the company portal as it is to all devices. I already have the policy, which is this one, so it's basically the same thing as you can see here. So no logo, nothing, just deploying to system and all devices as required. And here you can see that it's already installed in one machine installed. Then we go to this machine here, and then we can see the company portal. Yes, we don't have any apps published, any app published, nothing. But here you can get an idea. Like, this is the homepage. You can see this how's it called? I forgot, the featured app there. And if you go to apps, you can see all those apps here. The users can see the categories. You can select the category. You can create new categories. Like, oh, this is for the HR department. All apps that are in this category are for the HR department, and all the stuff. And here the downloads and updates, you can see here. As you can see, the company portal is already installed and it's required, and blah blah blah. And here you have the devices where the users can check the device status and see information about the compliance policies and so on, the machine name and all this stuff. Here in this help support you can send logs and all this stuff, and if you go to settings you can sync, the users can sync the machine in here, the device in here. And here on this about section you can configure some stuff, like you can configure what is your company privacy policy, and you can also add some links in here. For example, I want to add the help desk icon, the help desk link in here for the users to be easy to, okay, the user needs something, they go to company portal, oh, the app is not there, then they go here and then they just click and go direct to the help desk. This is like easy for them. This will make life easy for them. So yeah, so yeah, and also, and of course you can configure this stuff in here. You can go, for example, to the, I'm talking about the customization and branding and all this stuff. So yes, for example, if you go to tenant administration, customization, and this is already default. So if we just click here in properties, we can edit all these stuff here. So for example, where is the organization name? I want to make this, oh god, orange. I want to show only the, okay, the logo. I don't have a logo, so I will only show the name. Yeah, the background, I don't have a image here, so you can configure this whole stuff. So support information, who is the responsible for this? So I will add here, for example, IT help desk. Where's the phone number? 444 444 444. What is the, what? What is the email address? IT at contoso.com. Website name, so this is Jira or whatever you have, like ServiceNow. Then you add your ServiceNow URL. So I will add here, for example, this, just to have something. Then you can add some nice information here. Yeah, this is the website to raise tickets, blah blah blah. Yes, this is the privacy statement. You can provide your you can configure this. This is more like for iOS stuff. You can read and you can check this stuff. So another thing you can configure here, it's like the Office Online applications and the Microsoft Entra Enterprise application. So when you create a new application on Microsoft Entra, you can just show them in the company portal. Yes, then you can also do this stuff here. So I would suggest to hide the reset button and also this, because sometimes the user can do some nice stuff, removing, resetting. Sometimes they just click on reset and, oh yeah, my computer is, it's resetting, is restarting, blah blah blah. Then you have options here. That's the idea, to show you what can you do, what you can do here. And yes, you can also configure the enrollment stuff in here, but this is more like for phones, for yeah, Android and iOS and iPad OS. That's not the case right now. So this is just a very, let's say that start topic about Intune. So most of you guys, you already know, like, oh yeah, I already have this. I will skip this video. But some people, they just don't know. They just, okay, the company will just implement Intune, or the other admin like was fired or whatever, and then they hired a new guy, or they just put like the guy with the internship. Yeah, let's, oh, let's work as a firefighter here. Let's just yeah, sometimes this kind of stuff happen in companies, and sometimes you just go to a place that you don't even make sure that what are you doing. So yes, then I will just save here, save. It will take some time, of course, to be deployed, but yeah, you can also check the website. Oh, in the website it's already here. So as you can see, those are all web apps. So yeah, I can just go here and click here, and then I go to my lists. But probably it's not here yet. Oh, it's already here. So yeah, then you can add this online apps here. They just go here. Of course, it's not. Oh, this is amazing. No, it's not amazing. The online apps, they just go to Portal Office and everything is there. But it's an option. So they sometimes they don't know what uh what is available for them. What are available for them? Like the apps, they can install apps, and the best part. So if you deploy apps from the company portal, I would say that some users don't need admin rights. So it's an idea, right? So remove admin rights, then if they need something, they can install something related to apps, of course, they can install via company portal. Yeah, I think that's it. Of course, if you have this autopilot stuff, maybe we make a video about this in the future, next week. You can already configure everything. So yeah, the user will just log in, and then all the apps will be installed automatically. They already have the company portal and blah blah blah. Then it's like out of box, right? That I don't know what's the right English word for this. Then it gets the machine with everything already installed. If they need something, they go to company portal, they install the apps. Yes, that's the idea of this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. And if this was helpful for you, if this helped you and somehow, yeah, just go to the channel and hit the subscribe. We are 8, but we can be 9 or 10 soon. See. Thank you.